Hi, I'm Lay with LayShidell.com. I have a training here for you today, and I'm going to take you over to my screen. So what I'm going to be doing is a demonstration from my cell phone, and we're going to take a look at how to use Canva from an Android device today. So I already logged into Canva, and this is what it looks like when you enter Canva from an Android device. So what it wants you to do automatically is to start by selecting a design that they already have, or creating a design from one of these templates that they already have. Or you can use your own designs by clicking over here. So these are my own designs that I've used in the past or worked with. I could click on one of those, and I could alter this by tapping on something and making alterations to this text. And let's just give you a little sample here. So I'll just say thank you instead of all the other information, just so you can see this actually happening. And then once you're done, you can click outside of that, and then if I want to, I can change it to center it here, and I can center it. You can see the crosshairs there, both vertically and horizontally, so you know that it's exactly centered. So then once you've finished whatever changes you want with that, maybe it was a color of the background, maybe you want to change also. So you just click on that, click on the little pencil, select a different one of these windows here that has a different color. If it's not a color that's already here in this range, just click on the plus. Change your color to, like, if you're going to want a more intense color, come up in the far right corner. And then the rainbow scale itself will vary from one end to the other, and you can see the colors change. Now, the intensity of those colors will vary according to where this particular dot is placed. So you can see as I move the dot, the color changes, the value changes. And so I'll slide the ruler again, the color slide rule again, and you can just see it change through all of the different colors when it's in that particular spot. So that's how you address that part. Once you have the color selected the way you'd like, go ahead and click on the check mark. Once you have all the changes in place that you would like here, you would just go ahead and click on the share. Share is going to open all the different applications that are possible for you to use. And you'll see here that it brings up the instant messages you've had recently open. Facebook's available, Messenger's available, SMS would be text messages to phone contacts. You could upload it into your images so you can use it in another location. You can Gmail it to somebody. Whoops, let me tap my phone again and wake it up. And so you can see the options that we have available here. So that pretty much shows that aspect of it. And then if I come out of here, back out of here with that back arrow, we could create a new design. So I'll click on the left one. You'll notice that what we have are choices of templates. The first thing that they give you is a search bar. So you could search for all the different types of templates that you could imagine that you might want. And let's say we need a Twitter cover. I'm sure that might be an option. And let's see what it brings up for us under Twitter covers. Waiting for it to bring something up for me. No, I'm not seeing actually that. I was a little surprised. There are cover pages of some sort. So you can see the different styles, and if you select one that already exists, if you just tap on something here, like let's say that you want to use the same quote style, but of course you don't want Henry Ford's name in there, so you're just going to click on the text in it, and then you're just going to replace that text. When you're finished, again, you would just click the check mark. You'd alter the text itself. You'd be able to just replace that text. You could change this image if you wanted, or you could change the background color to that image. Actually, on this one, this is a template, so it's already set up for you. So let's say we'd want it that color, we could do that. And then let's say we also want this one that same color, we could do that by checking both of those. So also that outer border, could change that at the same time. So then I've got all my changes done, and then I'm able to share it from here, or I can go over here and select that back arrow, and you'll see it here now as your design image. So it's actually saved it out on there. If you weren't ready to save it, to send it then or share it then, you can come back to it later and click on it, and you'd be able to share it from here. You can also share it to your images, and when you do share it to your upload to your photos rather, and when you do that, you'd be able to share it with any application that the phone is able to access that photos application. I hope you got some value from this training. I hope that gives you a good start to using Canva from your Android device. I look forward to bringing you more training in the future. I appreciate you spending your time with me, as I know you could be anywhere you wanted to be. Thanks a lot. You have a great day. Bye-bye.